Okay, so we're doing part 3 now of our animal rescue thing. Go to part 1 if you don't know the rules. Go to part 2 if you saw part 1 but didn't see part 2. So, if you want, let's teleport to the rainforest. Oil spill on the coral reef. What is happening here? Anyway, if you hadn't seen yet into, I can hide in these bushes. Or what I am. Hide in bushes and 1 too. So I got 5 animals in part 2. Wait, this is here. Wait, it's actually 8 animals. Okay. 9 more to go. Okay, we already got that strawberry. Okay. What do we have next? Here. Wait, 1 second. I accidentally clicked something. There. Now I'm going to go forward. There's a tsunami in the desert! Okay. What's happening? I'm going to save that capybara for last. Perhaps in part 4 I'll capture it. I'm trying to look for new animals. How come it's so hard? Is that something new? No, it's just allow and tap here. I need to get 65,000 more coins. If I 800 if I. Let's take a picture of this jaguar. There we go. 1 picture. I'm jumping on the water. Let me check about the animals that are. Why is it so hard to find these things? One is easy. How come it's so hard? It's who? Yeah. Ah, it's daytime again. I'm not wearing my headphones this time. Although I wear it almost every time. I wear it every time except this time. So this one is what was that? Our arrow tree. I could shoot them. Eyelash Viper got that one. This way between the cracks. I don't know if I want to cut that one. Tsunami in the rainforest. Okay, this is the first time I get to see a tsunami in the rainforest. What is happening? Where is the tsunami? Oh, where is the tsunami? Where is the tsunami? Oh, wait, now it's sooner. Right. The tsunami just had to rise. Now everything's in the water. I'm in the water. So whenever you saw a tsunami in the rainforest pop up on part 1 or part 2, wildfire in the savannah. Hold on, what map is the savannah? Okay. Let's go next. Savannah. Okay. Hold on. Let's visit the savannah so we can see the fire. But it'll be fast. Just to see the fire. The sky is red. There's burnings all around. Just showing the fire. There's smoke in the sky. Now let's go back to the rainforest. That was just to see the what? A Bengal tiger? Wow, I haven't gotten that one yet. Get out of the bush. It killed me. Oh well, we'll find that eventually. I'm back in the savannah. I need to go back to the rainforest. When you die, you go back to the beginning. Great. Now I cannot find the Bengal tiger. Where are they? I think I see a Bengal tiger. I just want a little pick. Don't hide in the bush. I just want to pick a bit. Sneak up on it and pick. Run away back into your hiding spot. And run away back into your hiding spot. Yes! I got it! One Bengal tiger. Maybe I can get another Bengal tiger then. Okay, that's a jaguar. Another jaguar. And another jaguar. This is probably the jaguar habitat. They might kill me. I almost got on the tree. That looks so easy to get on the tree, but it's not. Wait. Golden lion tamarin. Pick of it. Yes. I got another one. I don't care if it spots me. I got it already. Now that let's go out to the sea. I'll find tundra. What? Okay, snow blizzard in there. Okay. Alright, now let's go sail out to sea. Because no animals can sail out to sea, I bet. So, now that we're sailed out to sea, we'll sit here for a little bit. 7 more to go. This is the rarest animal I found, the golden lance head. It's critically endangered. Food, meat, fats, that I'm just showing. It's extremely venomous. Yeah, and I didn't get killed by that. Well, the rock. There's another snake over there. Sky blue poison frog. I think I encountered this before. and take a pick. Now, sneak up on the poison frog. And run away. Got it! Yes! Now we have only 6 more to go. I know the capybara. So, the capybara is so easy to get. Yeah, it's extremely fun. Okay, I thought that was the golden one. Still, the golden one is better, I guess. Can't climb up that tree. Waiting. I'm swimming, looking for animals. Where are they? Is that the extremely golden? Okay, right, it's an eyelash viper. Pygmy free-toed sloth. It's critically endangered. I need a pick. Yes! Only 12 more to go, am I right? And I'm at 5. I'm at 12. Don't kill me, snake. Does it have a monkey on its wall? If we get a black-headed spider monkey, it gets more coins. Okay. Black tower. I guess this gives us more coins then. Oh, I'm sorry. I can't. Did it give me a bonus? No! Oh wait, it did give me a bonus. It's still... Find another blackout. Find the same black tower and take a picture. Wow, now we have only 60,000 more things. 60,000 more money. Trying to get... Wait, I want to see what animal gives the next bonus. And then I'll set off to find new animals and catch that animal. I mean, take photos. Golden lantern! Wow, that's a hard one. I'm gonna look for that very, very deadly animal. I have my camera out. My camera is waterproof, I guess. Anyway, let's continue. Upgrades, camera upgrades, what is this? Okay. Yeah, upgrades. See? I have only 9 gems if I want an upgrade. Not it. There's so many emerald tribos. And eyelash vipers. Yeah. Can't find anything. It's so hard. Let's try reflect. It'll probably give me something. Why does it have to be an ice viper? Don't get an ice viper. Don't. Why? Yeah, both of them are go. That one is okay. That one is like endangered. It's a very good one to catch, but not the best. Not the best, but very close to the best. Oh, that's a poison frog. I don't want to. Wildfire in the outback. What? Okay. Make sure that's strawberry poison. Going up behind the waterfall. I'm behind the waterfall. No animals can get me here. And I can either go through the waterfall or I can sneak out the hatch. There. That's probably not a wise viper. Yeah, I knew it. 5 minutes? Okay. Was that a golden? And hide in the river. There we go. 2,000. If I get 5 of them, I'll get 5,000. And if I keep doing this for 65 more times, I will win. I mean, go to the desert. Anyway. Sell. So I get 1,000. Bye. I guess we got double that. A critically endangered eastern wowlin gorilla. Wow. Let me jump on it. Don't buck me off. I'm trying to ride you. How can you attack me if I'm on you? Spin around, huh? Heal. 1,500. Okay. Already photographed. Avoid the strawberry. But they're always concerned. So jump over them, of course. Sandstorm in the desert? Oh god. Anyway. $3,000. God, it's hard to find something good. Now, poached. Guessing where they are. Nice and carefully. Okay. Oh, I missed one. No. On. Volcanic eruption. Uh-oh. Where is the volcano anyway? Lava. I can swim in only some part of the river. Then jump out of the river. Okay. Here's a warning sign right there. I should teleport back to the house. Here we go. Let's go back. Let's just check out the volcanic eruption here. Check it out. Yeah. To the rainforest. Oop, 4 minutes, Kay. Okay, I didn't. Okay. Now let's go back to the rainforest. Jump in the river. Are all the animals? This just looks like a plain rainforest. There needs animals for pictures. Right, maybe I should just get out of this rocket. Actually. Is that an eyelash viper? Yeah, I know it. There's probably Chino. Chimpina. This eyelash viper keeps staying here, so I see eyelash vipers all the time. So I guess I'm just gonna take a picture. 400. Wait, I didn't get it before. Ooh, eyelash viper. Wait, for king animals, we got 4 more animals. 3 more animals, actually 14. Because of that blue frog, okay, so 1, 2. Capybara. I can easily get the capybara. This one is probably some kind of monkey. Let me see. It's some kind of gorilla, probably. Yeah. Wait, that one wasn't a orangutan. I think I saw it. I didn't because I didn't want to. Wait, that's a. Are both wildlife vipers one? They're different colors. And that one just slid into the water in action. I'm swimming away! Anyway. That's the what. It's good. So the wet ones and probably this. And I don't know what that is. This one is the Arctic. This one is the forest. And this one is the wetlands. And this one is the mountains. This one is the coral reef. And this one is the sea. And this is. And wait, what is it? What is it? What is the new animal? Bengal tiger. I can't see it. Oil spill in the ocean? What is happening here? Okay. Okay. Now let's go. Okay. Oh, we're supposed to reach 75. Yeah. I need to start actually getting it. A tiger, it'll give me a bonus. Plus, I need it for my picture duties. Yeah, 2 times bonus. 1,800. Wow. Now what? Oh, sure. Another fine. Anyway, let's go. And another dark one, another strawberry. I'm going to take it. Okay, but advantage. Okay, that means we can swim fruit now. Wait, a tiger, a tiger, a tiger! Jump before it leaves! Oh wait, is that the same tiger I fought to? Is that the first tiger I photographed? What? Okay. Hey, let's chill together. Not in the river? Canyon pool. Anyway, let's go. Maybe before it disappears, I should take a picture of it. A free-toed sloth, pygmy free-toed sloth. Time for a picture. Yay! Pygmy free-toed sloth. Sloth. Anyway, that was just about my about that very, very rare. Here's Tommy. Sorry. Let me check. Has the annual ended? No, it's going to be on for 8 more minutes. Okay, at 41, it'll be ended. Snow blizzard in the Arctic thunder. What is happening? Although, yes, it is Arctic there still. I guess it makes sense. A little bit. Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe I don't. Okay, let's go and run away and get this next black color. You probably already photographed them. Yeah, anyway. There's a jaguar behind this bush. And the capybara. Anyway, let's go grab this jaguar and be done with it. There you go. I sold it all. Now we have 22,000. Now we're going to have to, and I'm not even controlling the keyboard, I'm just flickering the space button. We're going to have to go 48,000 48,000 more. Okay. I probably will finish it up in part 4 because that's how I finished up the Savannah one. I finished the airport 2 parts. I started the Rainforest in part 2 as well. This is part 3, so. Oh wait, part 2 just came out, so. I'm in the tree, turning and twisting. I'm in the tree. Let's get off the tree now. First, let's go grab this jaguar. Okay, there. Let's go grab another jaguar. There's gonna be jaguar only selling. Okay. I'm gonna sell, and when I sell, I'm gonna have jaguars only. Snow blizzards in the fine contract. Okay. 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 Okay, so I'm definitely gonna finish it in the next video. Still. First photo will be this one, but the rest will fill in the gaps with jaguars for this last photo selling. Because it'll be time to end the video after this. It's already 39 minutes. Okay. Tsunami in the rainforest. Uh-oh. For the animals. And this is we're in the rainforest right now. We can stay around to see the tsunami. Wait, where's the tsunami? Ooh, there's the tsunami. When I'm in the water, I see just water, normal ground. Now, My pants are almost. Okay. Let's see. The mummy's down. Great. Now, let's grab our Jaguar. I need this Jaguar for my photo selling. Wow, it's endangered. I'm gonna just top it off with this golden lion tamarin. And okay, there we go. And that is the end. It's 41 minutes. And that is, wait, let me go back to my, this cabin over here and end the video. Over here. And over here, I'm gonna end the video right on the door. And then I'm gonna turn around so you see me at the top steps. Okay. Bye guys! Part 3 is over now! Oh. See you guys in part 4, or in a video if that, or in a different kind of video if that's sooner. Bye!